Alright, let's do an update on Solana. So in the last video, we outlined that we could be having a potential W form. It did look somewhat nice when we had this bottom down here. Obviously that hasn't planned out. If we do come over to the total crypto market cap, you can see in the past 2 days, we solidly broke through the 618, back tested it and fell off the table. So, I'm not ashamed to say I did not really, well, I kind of saw this coming because of the SPY, but I wasn't having it down as one of my number one scenarios, so do keep that in mind. But yeah, we are now somewhat breaking down for Solana. If we do look at the RSI, you could see that right now is kind of the ideal place where we'd want to bounce. If we didn't bounce like kind of right now, then I do see us losing this 786, at which point I have been outlining in the past couple of videos, I do have 2 targets for Solana where I would like to start accumulating. The first one being up here at $72, and I would ladder my buys down. I would have a huge buy down here at $55. If we did come something like this and back tested the bottom of this trend line around here at like 32, I would also be accumulating at that point. So I really don't hold any altcoins other than crypto.com and Solana. And I only hold crypto.com because it gives me 3% cash back on my cards. I do hold Solana because it is my favorite altcoin. It is my second favorite crypto, just underneath Bitcoin. It is actually really the only spot crypto that I hold right now. So, while I am somewhat bearish on this coin in the short term, let me take that back. While I am very bearish on this coin in the short term, I do personally believe that we're going to be coming down to another 20% drop for Solana, which is quite hefty. So we are right now on the 786. You can see the RSI has got, if we do turn up now, this would be a higher low as well. So this would be very good if we did turn around right now. But one telltale sign that I do believe we're going to break down is obviously what I outlined on the total crypto market cap. We are very bearish right now. One more thing, Bitcoin does have this uptrending line of support here, so if we do just turn around now, so be it. The total crypto market cap will turn up. Hopefully the SPY turns up. I don't take any pleasure in saying that the stock market's going down, crypto's going down with it, but I am just telling you what I see right now. If we come over to the Sol BTC pair, there's really nothing here that would kind of tell us the trajectory for the USD pair. We are currently coming back and back testing the 618 right now, so we would really need to hold this bottom that we've got down here on 22. If we do drop that, if we do drop from that, then you can see the next price target down from the 618 is a 30% drop, and from where we are now, it's a 32% drop. So in my opinion, if we do break below this 618 on the BTC pair, we're going to be coming down to here. I don't see anywhere else that it could really bounce. If I did take a micro fib, which personally I would be more of a fan of using the 786 down here, you can see that best case scenario, if we did break down, we would need to bounce off this 11%. If we didn't bounce off that, then I do believe that we'll be coming all the way down here. So not too much to see, to be fair, on the BTC pair. Volume has been declining since the all-time high on the BTC pair, and yeah, coming back over to the Sol pair. Yeah, I mean, we've basically done this a few times. Like, we've been in this channel, we've come down, we've peaked above it, 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 and I have said that I am temporarily sitting on the sidelines for Sol. I haven't accumulated any Sol in quite a while now, mainly because I do hold a big bag of Sol already, so I am kind of biased. I would say that if it is my first time finding out about Solana, Web3s and all of that stuff, I might be tempted to buy a little bit, but from a trading perspective, I personally wouldn't really touch this until we do get more confluence coming into the market. So yeah, I mean, that's all I'm really seeing for Solana right now. To finish it off, obviously volume is declining. I do just want to see if we come over to the weekly though, if we ever even went green for the Heikanashis. So no, we really never went green for the Heikanashis apart from these 2 doji candles, so it really does look like the downtrend is still continuing. I mean, nothing has changed, unfortunately, even though we had these pumps just above the trend line. Heikenhashi is saying that, you know, the downtrend is continuing and nothing has changed. So yeah, that's all I'm really seeing for Solana. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace out.